Our key to industrialization of graphene and 2D materials is a complete end-to-end technology platform that integrates with the existing semiconductor industry. In building our 2D foundry, these new materials, we have complete control, and our success stems from our intimate knowledge of all of the steps, from creating the production tools, processes, and the material, through to integrating it all into volume-compatible devices for our customers. Our foundry strategy is validated by customer applications ranging broadly from night vision sensors and photonics devices all the way through to sensing, biosensing, and EUV lithography. To simplify our customers' device developments, we are introducing our Graphene Application Development Kit to remove the pain, frustration, and inefficiency of exfoliating small flakes of graphene. This is a 1-atom thick graphene wafer and carrier package that enables rapid application onto common silicon substrates up to 200 millimeters. By expanding our 2D materials portfolio, stacking materials layer by layer and atom by atom, we are enabling the next generation of more and more devices.